Is an engine flush a good idea? In the past, I would have said no. But things change, and today's cars use oil for much more than just lubrication. Variable valve timing and other things now use engine oil as a controller. They have fine screens that stop up with sludge. Today, we are demonstrating a BG engine flush. The other systems that I have tried up in the past broke up into chunks and tended to stop up oil pickup tubes. BG's system dissolves into a fine sludge that can be trapped in the oil filter. It continues to work on into the next oil change. You start out by draining the oil. Then replace the oil filter and add the BG engine flush. You add it in the same amounts as required to fill the crankcase. You run it for exactly 1 hour and then change the oil. The oil filter is then trapping all the sludge at that point. This is an important thing to consider. As the miles add up, and the finer screens on variable valve timing solenoids and phasers block very easily. So to prevent this, a flush every 50 to 60,000 miles is not a bad idea. Remember, your car is a valuable asset to your family and expensive to replace or repair. So little maintenance along the way is always a sound investment. From B&B Automotive Services, thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook and like us on YouTube. Thanks for watching.